You can book more jobs from your existing cleaning website by turning your website into a 24/7 sales machine for your cleaning business. I'm holding a special workshop where I'm going to cover 6 pillars that make a cleaning website sell. I have set up hundreds of cleaning websites over the past 14 years. I have set up hundreds of Google ads, done hundreds of SEO campaigns, and I've got a really good idea of what sells and what doesn't sell. I've literally seen websites rank #1 on Google and still not book jobs. I've seen websites spend thousands of dollars on Google ads and still not book jobs. Why? The reason is the website. What's on the website? Does it talk the prospect into not knowing you from Adam to picking up the phone and calling you for your cleaning services? So I'm holding this special workshop June 25th. That's a Wednesday night. If you can't make the live workshop, or if that time has passed for right now, it's no problem because you can still get in on the recording for the workshop. Now, in this recording, you're going to get the 6 pillars of making a website sell. You're also going to get a step-by-step website conversion plan. And you're also going to get access to my Google ad conversion workshop. So this is really a 2-for-1 kind of deal because you're going to get 2 different workshops. You're going to get the Google ad conversion workshop that we just did a couple of weeks ago, and you're going to get the workshop that we're doing right now on booking more jobs from your existing cleaning website. You see, these 2 things go hand in hand, and so I told everybody that was part of the Google ad conversion workshop that I would also do this workshop because selling on your website is just as important as making your Google ads work. So you're going to get step-by-step headlines that you can use, step-by-step ideas for videos, for pictures, because believe it or not, sometimes those can be the biggest components in helping a website sell. And you're also going to get the entire Google ad conversion workshop that we just did a couple of weeks ago. All of this comes with my 30-day no-risk guarantee. If you're not completely happy, if this isn't helping you, email me and I'll give you your money back. So just click the link right below this video. I'd love to see you part of the workshop. I'd love to see you turn your cleaning website into a 24-hour sales-driven machine for your cleaning business.